Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located 30 feet above the sea along the cliffside, in the true essence of old Jamaica's North Coast splendor, this remarkable Ocho Rios property offers a rare blend of privacy, natural beauty, and untapped potential. In the same family for over 50 years, properties like this seldom come to market. At its heart is a charming five-bedroom home, nestled in lush gardens just minutes from the town center. A secluded grotto below leads to a natural seaside swimming area where turquoise waters meet tropical greenery. Three self-contained cottages, the seaside, garden, and the studio, operate as short-term rentals, generating income. The one-acre property offers endless sea views, spectacular sunrises and sunsets, and the space to expand or develop. Perfectly located near Upton Golf Course and the new Ian Fleming International Airport, this is a rare opportunity in one of Ocho Rios' most prestigious neighborhoods. Call your agent today to view this extraordinary property. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.95 million, Jamaican 307.6 million, Canadian 2.79 million, Euro 1.79 million, or 1.5 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.